Gail Crawford of Chestnut Park Real Estate. Today, we're back at the bottom of the Beaver Valley Ski Club at 104 Mary B's Lane. This premier ski-in location will not only simplify your weekend routine, it makes it possible for family members to easily come and go back and forth from the ski hill whenever they need to. It's an easy walk up to Lazy Loop, so even the youngest family members will be able to navigate it and just slide down the path, through the trees, and home for a nice hot lunch. Are you starting to daydream just a little about waving the kids goodbye while you're still in your PJs? Are you imagining how convenient it will be to walk home after another après-ski, or how you can stay longer and send the kids home on their own? Yes, it's time to take off the chauffeur's hat. And the chalet is totally set up for entertaining guests and family. With 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, it's on 3 levels. Let's go inside and take a look. The upper level is perfectly designed for entertaining. It's very spacious with a nice relaxing vibe. All open concept with warm pine trim, wood-burning fireplace, and lots of windows. A big dining table is a must-have. This one seats 12. The kitchen is functional with breakfast bar and large pantry, and just off the kitchen is a separate family room and bedroom. At the back are 2 more bedrooms, a full bathroom with a shower. The upper level has 4 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The master bedroom is nicely placed away from all the action and has a cozy gas fireplace, sitting area, large closets, and sliding doors to a private deck. A nice getaway. The north deck has a steamy hot tub, and if your timing is right, you might see a snowcat grooming Lazy Loop. The chalet has lots of storage for all your gear, skis, snowshoes, boots, and boards. It is practical and well laid out. This level has a large games room with billiards table, so everyone will be having as much fun indoors as they do on the slopes. Thanks for taking the tour with us today. You won't very often hear a ski family use the word relaxing and ski weekend in the same sentence. It takes effort and sometimes a little bit of chaos to get everyone where they need to be on time. Owning this chalet in this location promises to put an end to all of that. Come and take a look for yourself. Give me a call, Gail Crawford, 705-445-5454. Until next time.